Hey, all right, folks, it's Dane at JONAH Guitars, and Zach is picking up his strat today, and he's going to tell you a little bit about himself and about his band and his online stuff that he'll be sharing some music on there as well later on with this guitar. So I'll leave a link to his stuff on this video, folks. All right, Zach.
All right, thanks, Dane.
Yeah, you bet.
First of all, I'd like to thank Dane for building this for me to spec. Everything that I asked for, he was able to produce, and I gave it a little spin before this video. I could not be happier. Yeah, so the band I play with is just me and my girlfriend, and it's called Micro Mystic, and it's on YouTube. We do covers. We've got a lot of originals as well. But enough of that. Let's get to some sounds here real quick. We'll start with the neck pickup. Everything on full. Glorious. Now we'll do the little in between here, which is one of my favorite sounds. Middle pickup, which is out of phase on purpose. One of my favorite pickups right there. Wow. Next out of phase. And finally, the bridge. All right.
Sweet.
Now let's go ahead and try the push treble bleed here. Like you were saying, I think that comes a little bit more clear when it's really up.
Yeah, well, when you,
loud.
yeah, when you're, if you have the music, yeah, the amp louder, and you're playing it, and you just push it on and off, you can hear the difference. You know, when it's already turned down. When you're, yeah, it's hard to track with, but yeah, it's definitely doing the thing. You wanna put a little gain in this?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, a little bit. I don't want to get it too nasty.
Awesome.
Sounds good.
It sounds
Yeah.
fantastic.
You happy?
I'm so happy I can't even focus on one musical thing to play. I'm so
That's
excited.
cool. That's cool.
Well, that was a job well done. Thank you very much, Dane. Yes. So
Thanks for playing, Zach.
Yeah, thank you for
appreciate it.
Yeah.
And
beyond
be
what
sure
it's
to, you let me know when you get some stuff up on YouTube, and I'll remind them
Okay.
that that you've got some more stuff on it.
Yes, thank you. Once I get
Very cool.
a little handle on it, I'll do a full demo with fuzz pedals and all that
Oh
stuff.
yeah.
Get down to all that stuff.
We should mention that we're playing through the crappy 35 watt solid state Yamaha that's 50 years old.
Oh.
Yeah, with the blown speaker. That's why the overdrive sounds so good.
Oh, I was going to say, that sounds really good, actually. So,
Yeah. Well, hey, thanks
everybody. Right on.